Welcome to Evision. Evision Technoserve IT recruitment and manpower outsourcing company, based in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Pune, Mumbai, Delhi NCR. Evision provides manpower solution to Wipro, HCL, IBM. Evision placed 3,700 plus trained fresher in MNC. It's your first job? Find one that is right for you. We have a good opportunity to boost your career with us. We provide expertise, recruitment, training, consulting, improvement, and HR solution.
Every new day is another chance to change your life. I got selected at INFOSYS as a technical support engineer. My name is Ankit Benke. I am basically from Kolhapur, which is in Maharashtra district. I have completed my BE under Shivaji University specialization in computer science stream. After completion, I don't have any job. Then I got to know about Evision from one of my friends. So I enrolled here. I just want to express my feeling and gratitude towards Evision Technosoft Private Limited because Evision give me opportunity to learn new things in IT profile and give the best direction toward my career towards my career growth. In 45 days of training, I learned lot of things and technologies. I felt very happy and enthusiastic as I got best trainer and also helpful staff members who always support me to get best job in the IT field. Trainers are very fully supportive and motivated to learn something new things and cover theory part as well as practical knowledge very effectively. I generally told that Evision is to who want to start their career in IT profile. I would like to thank Evision for giving me setup for career growth and new opportunities. Thank you.